How to reply to a specific message on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how can you reply to a specific message on Instagram. To do this, first of all you have to open up your Instagram app. Go ahead and open up your Instagram app, then tap on this messenger icon at the upper right side, and then here you will get your all messages. Now all you have to do, open a conversation. Now reply to a specific message. All you have to do, tap and hold on that message, and then a pop-up will appear. Now tap on reply, and now type your reply here, and then tap on send. And as you can see that the message has sent for the specified message. And now I'm going to show you the easiest method to reply to a specific message. All you have to do, slide that message to the right side, and then as you can see that replying to that person, and now type your reply and then send it. And as you can see that message has been sent for that specified message. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.